How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veins to pop out of your arms permanently tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. First exercise that we're going to do is twists, you guys. That's 10. Keep going. That's 20. Keep going. Perfect. 30. Keep going. Perfect. Quick little break. Next exercise that we're going to do, you guys, is going to be arm circles. So we're going to get our arms. We're going to make circles just like this. 3, 4. This is a great exercise for your arms, you guys. It's going to get the veins popping. It's 20. Keep going. $30. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, next exercise we're going to do is going to be squeezes. So get your hands, squeeze really, really tight. This is a great, any squeezing exercise is really good for getting veins to pop. So hold it for about 20 seconds. Keep going, another 5 seconds. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're going to do twists. Get your hands. We're going to twist 1, 2. That's 10. Keep going. 11, 12. 20. Perfect. A little break. Okay, we're going to do overhead extensions. So interlock your hands and then extend like this. That's 10. Keep going. 11. 20. Perfect. We're going to go back to twists. And then squeeze really, really hard, 5 seconds. Squeeze as hard as you can. Perfect. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.